This is the Motion CL900. It's a 10.1 inch display that has Gorilla Glass on it. So the system is designed to be used while carried, so it is durable. It's mil standard 810G. It is running the Intel Oak Trail processor that's optimized for video. When we combine it with the battery, literally half of the system, if you take this half of the system, its battery, we're able to get up to 8 hours of battery life. It's a high definition display, so it's a wide aspect ratio display. When you combine it with the Oak Trail processor, you get very good video playback. As you can see, I'm touching the display. It is designed to be used either with fingers, it's a 4-finger capacitive touch, or you can use the stylus as well. The stylus is over here in a pin barn. And in our markets, a lot of people use both the stylus, they'll use their fingers for navigating, like I could do here with the Bluebeam application. The finger will get me into the application. Whoops, I open it and shut it down. I can click on the large button apps to launch it, and then once I get down into the actual application itself, I may want to switch over to the stylus. Although I can still use my finger to move around in the application, I can use the stylus. Oops, I can use the stylus to mark up. In terms of the ports on the system, out the bottom, this is the docking connection. You've got USB and power. When we come over to the side, this is power. Behind this, it's sealed to IP52 rating, so you've got a rubber cover over the ports. You've got USB, microphone in and out, micro HDMI, an SD card slot, and a SIM card. We use the Qualcomm Gobi 3000 chip, so in addition to giving you cellular access, that also gives you GPS support. On the back, you've got a 3-megapixel camera for documentation. You've also got attach points that can be used for putting on a handle or a mitt. The system is about 15.5 millimeters thick. It weighs right at 1 kilogram. You've also got another front-facing camera that can be used, say, as a Skype phone. The system has microphones out the top as well as a single speaker.
Excellent. And you can also attach things, so if we move on to...
So this system shows how you can customize the CL900 using the module. This is set up to demonstrate the idea of a mobile point of sale module, so that what we tried to do is design a mechanical integration. So if you take off the back, you put this module on the side, you've got a very firm connection. It's not a dongle, there are no cables, it's literally integrated into the mechanical design of the CL900. This example would have a barcode scanner at the top, maybe a mag stripe reader or a chip and pin on the side, fingerprint reader that could be used for password or manager authentication, and then a touchpad with a display telling the associate whether they need to punch the 1 or punch the enter button. This allows the user to customize the features of the CL900 to really specifically support their workflow.
Mm-hmm. Can we just take a look at the back to see how it's connected?
So you can see you still have a completely integrated back. If I hold up the other one, you can see it's really the same system, just that the module has been attached to the side after you take off the back and screw it on. So you get the benefits of still being lightweight and balanced, and still having the flexibility to incorporate peripherals that you may use in the future. One of the other things you'll notice about the system is it does have a very elegant fit and finish. We've designed the system to be used in front of our customers' customers. So like in a retail environment or maybe in banking where they might be handing the system over to the customers, we wanted a very simple, elegant top that's black, and they might use this the display surface literally as a kiosk that's either doing product demonstrations or merchandising their products. So we wanted to have a very nice, clean, not a real rugged, even though the system is durable. We wanted it to look very clean and elegant.
And this is running on Windows 7.
Yes, it
version?
runs. It runs. The Oak Trail processor is designed to run full Windows 7. You can run almost all the applications that you would normally be running on a notebook on this system.
Excellent. And what will prices start at?
A typical configuration is going to be around 825.
And release date?
We expect to be shipping in early Q2 of this year.